So I'm going to talk about cloud security and why it is important for everybody, honestly, whether you're going into cloud engineering, cloud architect, anything that deals with cloud specialist, cloud security is something you should know. And there's not one shoe fits all. There's just a general concept that I think would benefit any audience that's looking to be a cloud specialist. So cloud security is a practice that lets you protect your organization's data, its application, its infrastructure, its users from unauthorized access, from threats that are evolving, from malicious users, from from anything that can cause a major damage to the company as a whole. That's what cloud security is, honestly. Now, there's different aspects of cloud security. Being on the cloud is different from on-prem. Why? Because on-prem, you have to focus on the underlying infrastructure. On the cloud provider, whether it's AWS, whether it's Azure, which is Microsoft, or it's Google, they worry about the underlying security, the patches, and all of those stuff. Your job is to worry about the data and the application, the users, the incoming traffic, outgoing traffic, how to protect against that. That is your job to do. So with that, I'm going to focus on different aspects of cloud security. I'm going to focus on access in the cloud. I'm going to focus on data encryption. I'm going to focus on web protection. I'm going to focus on network security and runtime protection. And then I'm also going to talk about monitoring and logging. So there's a lot to cover. I hope you guys enjoy this talk.